Okay, Jolene, this is not a professional video. Okay, here's the bathroom in Zircon. That's a disaster. We left it especially for you. Anyway, it needs to be really scrubbed and cleaned. We do have a toilet seat that we haven't installed yet. So that's the first thing. Then we're moving on. Don't worry about anything in the garage except for the washer and dryer. I need you to wipe them down, open them up, see if you can wipe them down. These people left this place a disaster. Other than that, nothing else in the garage because it's a disaster. Kitchen, I painted the cabinets, so the insides need to be all wiped down and cleaned really well of every cabinet. And wipe down the stove. The refrigerator isn't here yet that we're getting for this place. But cabinets, obviously the floor is everywhere in the house. I'm gonna move over to the back area first. Windows, we need inside and out if you can get to them. Wipe down. This is new flooring and everything's been painted in this room, but obviously it needs a clean. The room needs to be cleaned, the floor that is, not really the baseboards. I can't really show you this room because there's no lights in it, and at night it's kind of hard to see, but clean the floors and anything else in there that looks like it needs to be cleaned, the closet. All right, moving on. The game room, this has a carpet in it. I can't even show it to you because of the, but it's a new carpet, so I don't see the point in you doing anything there. New carpeting. You need to clean the window on the door though, and these windows if you can get to them inside and out. And of course these sliding doors, which are needing it. So there's that. Front living room. It's pretty much already done, other than the floor. I need you to clean the floor, wipe down the smear, the windows, the blinds. The blinds need to be cleaned. All the blinds in the house need to be cleaned. And of course, just wipe down the shelving there. Going into the main bathroom. We had this done with that coating on the tub, so just wipe it down with water, really. I mean, the walls have just been painted and pretty much everything on the wall is clean. So the floor needs to be scrubbed. The sink needs to be scrubbed. And inside the cabinets need to be wiped down so that they're nice and clean. And the mirrors, of course. But other than that, the floor is the main thing in here. Floor is the main thing in here, and windows. Again, this is a new ceiling fan. We just put it in today, so floor, windows, blinds, and these closet doors. They're pretty nasty. You can't tell it in the video. We tried to wipe them down, but they need to be cleaned. And then I need you to do the floor in the closet and wipe down the walls in the closet. This room, which is the main room, I just finished painting the floor. We've washed the floor several times. It needs some major scrubbing. The windows and the blinds need to be cleaned, and the window sills. And that's for everything in the house. You can take these windows and flip them out so you can do the outside, or you can just go around to the outside of the house and clean them. But the windows are really nasty, and the window blinds, and the floor needs to be cleaned. Same with these. These are pretty dirty, and we wipe them down, but they still need a good thorough cleaning. And then the closet walls and the floor. So again, Most of it is windows and window blinds and floors, but the rest is in the video. If you see any vents like this that need to be wiped down, this in here needs some dust removed. But other than that, that's what you got. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I forgot the closet here. And the closet looks lovely. Just wipe down the shelving and that's pretty much all you need to do there. Let me know if you have any questions.